Make multiple changes to multiple lines simultaneously with Bulk Edit. Do you find yourself often in situations where your end user changes multiple configuration options on your product lines? Let Bulk Edit assist you in making those changes easily with a click of a button. To get started, select the lines that you want to make changes to by clicking the box to the left of the validation shield. Then click the Bulk Edit button at the bottom of your order form. Edge will open a new window with several configuration options to make those changes. Each field will have a drop-down menu that matches the drop-down options on the main form. Make your selections and click Save Edits. Exit out of the Bulk Edit window by closing the window. Notice all the selected lines are now updated with the changes made from Bulk Edit. CURRIES Edge is proud to provide helpful ordering features like Bulk Edit to help you move through your orders faster. Thank you for using CURRIES Edge. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.